rolling over your 401k to a gold IRA, a step-by-step process. Many investors seek to diversify their retirement portfolios by rolling over a portion of their traditional 401k into a gold individual retirement account, IRA. A gold IRA allows for the inclusion of physical precious metals such as gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, offering a hedge against market volatility and inflation. This video provides a detailed guide on how to transition from a traditional 401k to a gold IRA. Understanding the basics of a 401k rollover to gold IRA. What is a 401k rollover? A 401k rollover involves transferring retirement funds from a traditional 401k plan into a gold IRA without incurring taxes or penalties. This process enables investors to preserve their retirement savings' tax-advantaged status while diversifying their investment options. Why choose a gold IRA? Gold IRAs offer several benefits, including protection against inflation, portfolio diversification, and potential growth opportunities. Investing in physical gold can provide financial security and peace of mind during uncertain economic times. Step-by-step guide to rolling over your 401k to a gold IRA. Step 1. Choose a reputable gold IRA custodian. Selecting a custodian experienced in gold IRAs is crucial. Look for companies with a strong track record, positive customer reviews, and transparent fee structures. Step 2. Open a gold IRA account. Once you've chosen a custodian, you'll need to open a gold IRA account. This process typically involves filling out an application and providing identification documents. To find a list of reputable custodians, please visit our site at givemethegold.com to see the short list picked by our panel of experts. Step 3. Fund your gold IRA. There are two main ways to fund your gold IRA: a direct rollover or an indirect rollover. Direct rollovers involve transferring funds directly from your 401k to your gold IRA, while indirect rollovers require you to withdraw funds and deposit them into the gold IRA within 60 days. Step 4. Select your precious metals. With your gold IRA funded, you can choose which IRS-approved precious metals to include in your account. Your custodian can provide guidance on the available options and help you make informed decisions. Step 5. Store your precious metals safely. The IRS mandates that the precious metals in a gold IRA be stored in a secure, approved depository. Your custodian will arrange for storage and ensure your investments are safely held. Recap: rolling over a 401k into a gold IRA can be a smart strategy for diversifying your retirement portfolio and protecting your savings from inflation and economic downturns. By following these steps and working with a reputable custodian, you can confidently invest in precious metals and secure your financial future.
See our report of the top-rated gold IRA companies of the year and more information on gold IRAs and other precious metals investing in our informative website at givemethegold.com. We look forward to seeing you soon.